Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Class content, Spring, NTSP7, no, sorry. Design patterns, 614, guys. SessionFacade, ServiceLocator plus SessionFacade design pattern implementation. This is March 9th, guys, 2022. March 9th, 2022. Okay, this is the diagram, guys. Yesterday we designed one application, remembered? Problem solution. At the end, we have got this. Yeah, this is implementation part. New guys. Example application on ServiceLocator plus SessionFacade design patterns. Done, boss. This is my client side. This is my server side. BSc, NSC. This is server side part, guys. This is server side. Okay, shall we start the application development? Okay, array, I have to develop external web components as web services. But if I start involving web services, it is going to be horrible, guys. That's why what I do is representing 4 business external component, including SessionFacade dummy component. I will be taking 4 Java classes having 4 interface implementation. 4 Java classes simply having 4 interfaces implementation. Understanding my statement, guys? Four design pattern having 4 interfaces implementation. Okay, this is what we are going to do, guys. Shall we get into the next level discussion now? Yes, boss. Let's move to our workspace, guys. Where is our workspace? Design patterns workspace. Yeah. Look at the diagram. I'm giving stock name, guys. I'm giving a stock name. That stock name goes to array stock name, not the ID, Babu. Sorry. The input is stock name. Okay. Stock name. Here also stock name. Here also stock name. Yeah. Input is stock name. First component gives me stock ID. Having stock ID, we will get stock details in the form of DTO class object. Having stock ID, you will get another DTO object having future growth of stock details, and all these are combined into what? All these are combined into single big DTO class object that is passed to the business delegate. Business delegate converts DTO to what? VO. And VO is placed in what? What scope, guys? Request scope. VO is placed in what scope, guys? Request scope, and pass it to the view component. And finally, response goes to browser. Finally, response goes to browser. Understanding my statement, guys? Dynamic web project, guys. Dynamic web project. Business delegate. Service locator app. Service. Business delegate. Service locator app. Okay. I'm taking Tomcat 10 only, guys. Say next. Say next. Say next. Okay. Say next, next, next. Yeah. In new versions, Tomcat is giving bit problem. Don't worry. Right. Here is my web.xml, guys. Here you change this one to 2.4. Change this one to 2.4. Yes. Done. Okay. Right click. New package. com.nt.controller. Next. New package. com.nt.dto. New package. com.nt.service. New package. Come on. Okay. com.nt.vivo. com.nt.vivo. Next package. com.nt.delegate. Next, guys. New package. com.nt. com.nt. Anything, guys? 1 minute. com.nt. SessionFacade. SessionFacade component is there now, boss. Actually, I should take all external component outside, guys, but somehow I'm managing here itself. com.nt. com.nt.ext1. Next. com.nt.ext2. Next package. com.nt.ext3. All the four external components, including all the four external components, including, come on, all the four external components, including all the four external components, including SessionFacade component, should be developed as, okay, distributed component, either as web service component or as EasyB component. Either as web service component or as EasyB component. Okay. For simplification, we are developing them as ordinary Java classes implementing Java interfaces. Ordinary Java classes implementing Java interfaces. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Right. These are the things, guys. Okay. First, we try to develop the model classes. What we should do, guys? First, we try to develop the model classes. Okay. Yeah. Model classes, guys. What are the model classes? DTO. Yeah. What are the DTO, guys? Class. Look at the diagram, guys. When you look at the diagram, stock name is the input, stock ID is the output. Here we don't need any this one DTO, but here stock ID is the input, and we would like to get what? Stock details DTO. We would like to get stock details DTO. Name stock details DTO, and it has to implement serializable interface, guys. Serializable interface. Yes, boss. This is my serializable interface. Fine. Tell me, guys, yeah, when it comes to stock details, current details, guys, stock current details will come. Private. Okay. Private int stock ID. Private string stock name. Private string stock name. Next one is what, guys? Yeah, double stock value. Double stock value. Next, private string company name. Private string company name. Next, yeah, what will be there in the stock, guys? What else will be there? Current details. Future details, what happens, I don't know. Future details, what happens, I don't know, guys. Okay, string company name, private, what will be there? What will be there? Okay, local date. Local date listed on which date it is listed. Okay, and I would like to have Lambda KPI, guys. So because I want to see getter setter method generated dynamically, I don't want to generate them manually. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Tell me here, what is this? Build path, libraries, class path, add external jars. Here is my downloads folder, lombok.jar. Lombok.jar. Apply here. Deployment assembly, add, build path entries, finish, apply, okay. Apply, okay. Here is my @ data. Okay. Acha, what do you mean? One more information will be there. Stock type. String stock type. Private string. Private string. Come on, guys. Exchange name. It is listed on which exchange? Exchange name. Here is my data, guys. Here is our exchange name, guys. Right. This is the one DTO, guys. What is another one? Stock future details DTO. Stock future details DTO. File save as stock future details DTO. Future details DTO, guys. Future details DTO. Extend stock details DTO. Yeah, array, all this will, I think, do I need to extend it? I don't think so. Do I really need to extend it, guys? No. Because again, these details will come. No, I don't want to extend, guys. We will take only required details. Implements serializable. Implements serializable. Yeah, stock ID required, stock name is required. Okay, stock name is required. Tell me. Otherwise, we can do something like this. We can take one base. We can take one base stock details DTO, stock base details DTO. These three are the common properties, guys. These three are the common properties that are required in both DTOs, and remaining things will change, right? Remaining things will change, guys. So it's better to design in that fashion or not. Come on. Okay, we'll do like this. Just a minute. Yeah. Class. I'm going to take it as abstract class, guys. Tell me. Stock base details DTO. Stock base details DTO. Yeah, it's an abstract class, guys. Or stock info, your choice. What is this? Implements serializable. Implements serializable. Implement serializable. What are the three common properties, guys? These are the three common properties, I feel. These are the three. In fact, exchange, stock type, exchange name. Okay, not common properties, guys. Stock type, exchange name. Okay. Company. The stock belongs to which company is this? @ boss. @ Okay. Stock details. Stock array, which is common for future details, current details. Please think in that angle. Okay. Extends from stock base details DTO. No need of passing these three things, guys. Exchange name. So these are the additional stock type, company listed on. Company listed on. Next, stock future details DTO. These three things not required. A company I not required. This time, stock type, exchange name, this one. These are not required, guys. Tell me. Private double. Okay. Private double. Tell me. Next 1 year. Next 1 year stock value. Next 1 year stock. Are future values, ra babu. Next 1 year stock value. Tell me next one. Next to 2 year stock value. Next to 2 years stock value. Next to 3 years stock value. Understanding my statement, guys? Next to 3 years stock value. Okay. Stock value. Right, boss? Like this, I am taking a change percentage. Okay. Okay. So change percentage. Double. Change percentage. Yeah. Stock future details DTO, guys. Okay. One small change, guys. You should get stock name, stock ID. Okay. Again, you submit stock ID, stock details DTO. But here you should not give only stock ID, guys. You should give total stock details DTO as the input. Stock details DTO as input. Are based on the current price value only, it can get the future price value now, boss. It can get the future price value based on the current price value. Understood my statement, boss? This is my base value. This is my stock details DTO. Stock future details DTO, guys. Stock details DTO. Stock future details DTO. Okay. I think you understood, guys. But 1 minute. There is one more DTO. Stock all details DTO. That means current stock details should be there, future stock details should be there. You should have both details, guys. It should have both details literally. Tell me what I'm going to say that. Okay, class, guys. Stock all details DTO. All details DTO. Can we extend from more than one class, guys? No. Then what should I do? What should I do? So I have to somehow make this one happening or not? Right. Actually, I have to go for composition. But instead of going for composition, I would like to do in another way. I would like to do in another way. What is that, guys? Yeah, super class is what? Stock details DTO. Super class is stock details DTO. Okay. Tell me what happened. Current stock values will come. So whatever future stock values are there, take them. All details DTO, you place it. All details DTO, you place it, guys. At the rate data. Plus some additional details, guys. Plus some additional details. Come on. Stock all details DTO is there. And 1-2 additional details I want to pass. Apart from all these things, Okay, tell me. Private local date time. Local date time. Verified on. This verification is on which date? Verified on which date? Next. Okay. Verified on. That's it, guys. And which date it is verified, guys? It's in which date it is verified. That extra details I have taken. I hope you understood. Stock details, stock all details, DTO. All the details will be there. All the details will be there. Tell me. File, save as, VO. Tell me. Stock all details, VO. Stock all details, VO. Come on. Here is my VO package. Here is my VO package. Stock all details VO, guys. In this VO, we should get all the values as a string values. Are VO maintains everything as string values or not? Take these properties, say paste. Here is my string stock ID. Okay. Here is my string stock ID. Come on. Super. These are the stock details, guys. Copy this. Say paste. Here also common details. String VO class na VO class. Company twice is there. You place only for one time. This is a base details. Future details. Here everything comes as a string value. Everything should be taken as a string value. Feel it. Everything should be taken as a string value. Private string verified on. Private string verified on which date? Verified on which date, guys? Clear, my dears? I think you convinced all the model classes. Are in VO class, all properties will be there as string properties. You know that. In VO class, all properties will be there as string properties. You know that, right? So DTO ready, VO ready, boss. Now let's develop first component, boss. What is the first component? Interface implementation model I want to take. Bombay Stock Exchange, stock ID finder. Bombay Stock Exchange, stock ID finder. Here method is public long find stock ID by stock name. String name. Find stock ID by stock name, guys. Nice, boss. Next, new class. BSc. What is this? BSc. BSc. Stock ID finder IMPL. Interfaces I BSC stock ID find. Are you comfortable, guys? Are you comfortable, guys? Okay. Yeah, actually, I have to talk to database. From database, I should get all the things, guys. But I don't want to make this one as complex, guys. So to avoid this one as complex, to make not to avoid this one not so big complex, what I do is I will just hard code and get the things. Actually, I have to maintain database. In the database, all this stuff will be there. If name is equal to, if name equals ignore case, name equals ignore case, SBI. If name equals ignore case, SBI. Tell me, guys. Here, long stock ID. Long stock ID is equal to 0. Stock ID is equal to 1112. Else if name equals ignore case. If name equals ignore case. Tell me, ICICI. ICICI. Stock ID is equal to, okay, 2233. Else if name equals ignore case. SDFC. SDFC. Okay. 3344. 3344. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Stock ID 1122, stock ID 1133, 3344. Yes, boss. Okay, I'll take one more thing. Name equals ignore case. What is that? Reliance. Reliance. Tell me. Stock ID is equal to 4455. 5555. Else, apart from this, something else is given. Then what is this? Throw new illegal argument exception. Throw new illegal argument exception. Tell me, guys, invalid stock name. Invalid stock name. Invalid stock name. Lastly, what is this? Return stock ID. Return stock ID. I hope you convinced it, guys. Next, what is the next external component we have? The next external component we are having is, array, now we have to deal with four guys, four items. Tell me. Interface, BSC, IBSC. Tell me. Stock value finder. IBSC, stock value finder. Understood my statement, guys? IBSC, stock value finder, guys. Right. Here, what is this? Public. Tell me. Stock details DTO. Find stock details by ID. By ID. Int stock ID. Okay. Public stock details DTO. Find stock details by ID. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Next. New class. BSC. Tell me, guys. Stock value. Stock value. Stock value. Finder IMPL. Finder IMPL. Interface, guys. Interface. What is the interface, guys? IBSC. Stock value finder. IBSC stock value finder. Okay. Here, what is the story, boss? Stock details. DTO is equal to new stock details DTO. Stock details DTO is equal to new stock details DTO, guys. If tell me what is the next story to focus on? If stock ID is equal to 1122, then what should I do? 1122. Okay, array, I think 1 minute. Stock details DTO. Stock details DTO. Okay, fine. We'll use setter methods only. DTO dot set stock ID. Fine. Leave it. DTO dot okay. Set stock name. SBI. We have to pass all the actually collect from database, guys. Collect from database. Yeah. DTO dot stock type, banking sector, banking stock. DTO dot tell me stock name, stock value. What is stock value? 4567. DTO dot stock ID, stock name, stock type, listed on. Tell me local date dot off. In which year it is released, guys? Okay, let us assume 2010. Month, guys, 10th month. Date, guys, 10th date. 10th date. Else if stock ID double equal to 1133. Copy, paste. Yeah. What is that, guys? Second one is what, guys? Collect, actually should collect from database. ICICI, HDFC, Reliance. Okay. ICICI. Banking sector, guys. Stock value is this, guys. Listed on which date was? This is listed on which date? This is listed on which date? (11/11). This is definitely listed on which date, guys? 11/11. Else if stock ID double equal to, else if stock ID double equal to, come on, double equal to 3344. Acha, 3344. Collect from database software. Okay, this is my ICICI, guys. Yeah. Tell me, guys, ICICI is 2233, yeah? Fine. 2233, 3344. 3344 is what, guys? SDFC. Yeah, what is the stock name? SDFC. Banking price is what? 1167. It is launched on 2015, 12/12. Else if stock ID is equal to 4455. Collect from database software. Yes. Tell me, what is that? Reliance. Reliance. Okay. What is this? All-rounder company. They do business in every sector. Reliance do business in every sector, right? Okay. 2167. 2015, 12/12. Over. Okay. Tell me. Else. Throw illegal argument exception. Throw illegal argument exception. Tell me, guys, invalid stock ID. Switch case also you can use, your choice. Invalid stock ID. Throw new. And I'm trying to simplify the process, nothing else. Yes, guys. I think, are you comfortable up to this? Why red color? Written statement. Okay, fine. Once everything is over, return DTO. Once everything is over, I'm going for return DTO kind of thing. I'm specifying return DTO kind of thing. Super. Next one. This is extension 2, guys. Extension 3, new interface. IBSC, stock future value finder. IBSC stock future value finder. stock future value finder, guys. Tell me here, what is the story? Public stock future DTO, future details DTO, find stock future details by stock name. Find stock future details by stock name. Simply by stock name. Tell me what by stock name, guys. What by stock name? Come on. Here is I'm passing what? Stock details DTO as the input. I'm asking stock details DTO as the input. Stock details DTO as the input. Okay, guys. Details DTO. Detail. Yes, boss. This is the method. Array, I'm developing what? Third component, boss. Third component. Tell me what is the class? Class is BSC. Tell me. Stock. BSC stock. Tell me. Future value finder. Stock future value finder IMPL. Future value finder IMPL. Interface. Guys, give me 2 minutes time. I'll come back. Guys, come back. BSC stock future value finder IMPL. Super class. What is super class, guys? Super interface, not super interface. Interface, guys. IBSC. IBSC future value finder. IBSC future value finder. Tell me, what is feature value finder, guys? IBSC future value finder. Yeah, tell me what is the story, guys? What is the story here? Stock details DTO boss. Here is my what story, guys? Public BSC stock future value finder. Future values we have to find out, guys. Tell me here. I will create object. Future. Okay. Future details DTO. Future DTO is equal to stock future details DTO if details DTO equals ignore case. Okay, get stock ID. Get stock ID. Tell me, guys. Double equal to 1122. If it is 1122, come on, guys. If it is 1122, then what should I do, guys? So first of all, I should future DTO dot. Tell me, guys, next 1 year stock value. How to calculate next 1 year stock value? What is this? Details DTO dot get stock value in get stock value plus details DTO dot get stock value into get stock value into 0.1F. What is that? 0.1F. That means 1%, guys. 0.1F, nothing but 1%. Okay. Tell me next. Say this. Future DTO next to 2 years. Next to 2 years stock value. Details DTO dot get stock value. Details DTO dot 0.2F. Are 20%? I'm assuming 20% value will increase. Right, boss. Details DTO here 30% value will increase. Understanding my statement? But problem is, if you set only these 3 values, not yeah, okay. Change percentage also we have to set, guys. Set change percentage. Set change percentage 10%. Set change percentage 10%. 10.0. Year to year 10% is increasing or not? Okay. Same line 2 times. No, this has to make 3 years then. Okay, this has to make 3 years. Fine, boss. But before that, we have to get the basic details of stock, na? Future details DTO. Future DTO. Future DTO dot. Oh, no inherited methods. How come inherited methods are not there? Only direct methods are there. Array, how it will work out? Yeah, no problem. No problem. No problem. No need of giving any details, guys. Anyhow, at the time of mixing, it will be there. Fine. Okay. What is this? Else if. Else if. Double two, double three. Okay. This is 11%. This is 22%. This is 33%. Nice, boss. Copy this, paste it. Double three, double four. Nice. This is 12%. This is 24%. This is 36%. Only two are over, na? What is the next one, guys? Double four, double five is also there. Yes. Say paste. Else if double four, double four. Double four, double five. Tell me here, what is this? Tell me here. Okay, 14%, 24%, 36%. Okay. Here change is what? 11%. Here 12%. Here 13%. Okay. Else throw new illegal argument exception. Invalid stock ID. Invalid stock details. Done, boss. Return future DTO. Return future DTO. End of the method, guys. End of the class. End of the method, guys. End of the class. Are you comfortable, boss? Cool. Easy. Cool. Easy. Is that clear, guys? Are you comfortable? Are you understanding my statement, boss? Array, fine. Percentage, you don't worry about. Array, year to year change percentage, I am giving about. Year to year change percentage. Now what is left? SessionFacade is left. Interface. Tell me, guys. Stock details finder. Stock details finder. SessionFacade. Stock details finder, SessionFacade. Yes, guys. What it has to return, my dear? Public. Yeah, public. Tell me, guys. Stock all details DTO. Stock all details DTO. Find all stock details by stock name. Find all stock details by stock name. Yes, guys. Fine, guys. Find all stock details by stock name, guys. Got it, guys? Understanding my statement? Yeah. Suparna boss. Public stock. Stock all details DTO. Stock all details DTO. Super. New class boss. Tell me. Stock details. Finder. SessionFacade. Stock details finder SessionFacade. Stock details finder SessionFacade. SessionFacade IMPL. Interface. stock details finder SessionFacade. Super guys. Here what should I do? What should I do? Array, invoke 3 components locally. Invoke 3 external service components locally. Components locally. Right, boss. Now tell me here, what should I do? Stock ID finder external component 1 is equal to, tell me, stock ID finder IMPL. Okay. Stock ID finder IMPL. Okay. IBSC stock ID finder external component 1 new BSC stock ID finder IMPL. Stock ID finder IMPL. Tell me guys, tell me what is the next story? Next, okay, here we have to invoke this one. Long stock ID guys. External component 1 dot. Yes, by stock. That's it guys. This is for okay. Component 2. Component 2. Tell me guys. IBSC stock. IBSC stock future value finder. IBSC stock future value finder. Okay, first value finder. External component 2. New, come on. BSC, what is that? Stock value finder IMPL. Tell me guys, what is this? Stock details DTO. DTO is equal to stock details DTO. DTO is equal to, tell me what is there? Okay, ext component 2 dot. Okay, by giving stock ID, we are getting this one guys. Find stock details by ID. Oh, here also longer. Fine. Will take long there also. Done boss. Next, external component 3. External component 3. IBSC. IBSC. Tell me, stock future value finder. external component 3 BSC. Tell me, finder IMPL. Finder IMPL. Stock details. Okay, guys. Tell me. Stock details. Future DTO is equal to external component 3 dot. Come on. Find future stock details. DTO is the input. Now this is the future stock detail. Done, boss. Then we got it. Now, okay, all three components invocation is over in a sequence, guys. Prepare stock all details DTO class. Stock all details DTO class object. All details DTO. All details DTO is equal to new stock all details DTO. Yeah, tell me. All details DTO dot set stock ID. Set stock ID. External component 1 dot. Sorry, not external component 1 dot. Or in DTO, every information is there. DTO dot get stock ID. All details DTO dot set stock name. Set stock name. DTO dot get stock name. Get stock name. Yes, boss. All details DTO dot set stock type. DTO dot get stock type. All details DTO dot tell me next. Set stock value. Stock value. DTO dot get stock value. All details DTO dot set company. DTO dot get company. All details DTO dot. All details DTO dot. Tell me next. Listed on. DTO dot get listed on. All details DTO dot set next 1 year stock value. DTO dot get next year. Oh, not DTO dot, this time future DTO dot. Future DTO dot get next 1 year stock value. All details DTO dot set 2 years stock value. DTO dot get stock. Get no future DTO dot. Future DTO dot get 2 years stock value. Next, all details DTO dot next 3 year stock value. Future DTO dot get next 3 year stock value. All details DTO dot set change percentage. Future DTO dot get change percentage. All details DTO dot set verified on. Set verified on. Tell me guys, new set verified on. Here is new DT. New local date dot now off. Not new guys, just local date dot now. Return all details DT. Fine. I think we completed SessionFacade. As I discussed, one SessionFacade is talking to multiple what? External service components or not. One SessionFacade talking to multiple external service component. What do you say guys? Happening or not happening? Are verified means this gathering details are verified when. That is what I am going to give guys. Fine. Right boss. So when we meet in what? Tomorrow's class, we will do remaining dirty work because that view controller service is business delegate is very much old work and dirty work. We know that, right? Thank you. Have a nice time.